In this video, we will demonstrate how to create and run a new Node.js website by following their introductory Node.js example. To begin, head over to nodejs.org and click on the Learn link in the top menu. Here, you will see the basic example Node.js application. Open up your favorite IDE. For this video, I will use JetBrains Rider. Create a new JavaScript file in your directory and name it server.js. Copy the example code and paste it into your file. Then make sure to save the file. Once the server file is ready, open up your terminal and type in node server.js and execute the command. The terminal will output a message indicating the server is running and at what location. I will load the website now, and you can see it simply says, Hello World. Let's review the code, which is running the createServer function and responding with only the text Hello World via a 200 success response code. Thanks for watching.